Hey there, it's Miley from Cloud App. Today I'm going to show you how to text from a computer if you have an Android phone. So we're going to go to messages.android.com and that will take us to this page. Now what you'll have to do is go into your text app, going to click on three dots for the settings, and then there should be an option for messages for web. So we're going to click on that. It will ask you to click on the QR code scanner, and we're going to just hold that up to the computer so it will scan that. So it will now show us messages. As you can see, I have a message here. You can also choose to remember the computer so that you don't have to sign in and scan that QR code every time. But this is how you can text from your computer if you have an Android and not an iPhone.